Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to connect OKX to MetaMask, making your crypto journey smoother. We'll walk through the straightforward process of adding the OKX chain network to your MetaMask wallet. This connection allows you to seamlessly interact with decentralized applications and manage your assets on the OKX ecosystem. It's an easy method to expand your Web3 capabilities, giving you more control over your digital funds and interactions. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network drop-down menu at the top. Click Add Network, then select Add a Network manually at the bottom. Here, you'll input the OKX chain details. For the network name, type OKX chain mainnet. The new RPC URL is https://exchange.okx.org. The chain ID is 66 and the currency symbol is OKT. Finally, enter https://www.ocklink.com/n/ok for the Block Explorer URL. Double-check these details for accuracy before saving. Once the OKX chain mainnet is added, switch to it within your MetaMask wallet. You can now send OKT or any other compatible tokens from your OKX exchange account directly to your MetaMask address on this network. If you have an existing OKX wallet and wish to manage its assets through MetaMask, you can import it using its private key or 12-word seed phrase. Remember, always keep your private keys and seed phrases absolutely secure and never share them with anyone. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now fully connected and configured for the OKX chain. You can seamlessly interact with decentralized applications, manage your OKT tokens, and explore the broader OKX ecosystem. This connection offers you the benefits of faster transaction speeds and potentially lower fees compared to other networks. Enjoy the enhanced interoperability and expanded possibilities within the exciting world of Web3. Thank you for watching this guide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.